What is up, guys? Checking out back here on the video with Off-Road Boys.
What is up?
And today I'm going to pick up a farm truck.
What is up, guys? Off-Road Boys back here, and I'm back with Jake and Adrian.
What's up?
And I'm walking out Tractor Supply right now. We are on a new map. I don't remember the name of it.
Guys, I'll get you our map credits here in a little bit while once we get done with the map.
Yeah, Jake will get the credits. He knows he can get it quicker than I can. So, we're both going to get farm trucks because, well, Jake said something about in one of his videos we just recorded like an hour ago about something about a farm truck. And he didn't want to have farm trucks. He thought that, what'd you say exactly?
On my other character, we've been doing a senior, yeah, and I figured people would probably try to make fun of me because I was driving a farm truck.
Which then again, I told him that I was going to get one myself, so
I decided, I hopped on Craigslist like any poor guy would do, and I found one.
But any way you look at it, we both at least have enough money to get some paint and get them at least looking half decent.
I got more money than what you think.
I do too, but
I think I missed my turn.
So I just finished this truck last video.
Yeah, I missed my turn.
It ain't posted yet.
I missed my turn.
It ain't posted yet, but I heard you. But this video and the other video should be out around the same time. So you'll see this truck when it was before, and you'll also see what I went and bought in that video. I mean, you missed your turn.
I took the back way in.
I was gonna say.
All right, guys, we're gonna get up here. We're gonna get up here and talk to him. All right. Are you the one that selling the farm truck, Christian? Yeah. Where's it at? It's back there. All right. You think I can get my truck and trailer back there? Yeah. All right.
Jesus.
What?
We're like part of this thing, because I don't know how.
Oh my lord!
What?
I didn't know my freaking truck was buried in a freaking mud hole.
I didn't know mine was going into a cubby hole, but you know.
How much they got a for sale sign on it?
Yeah, you the one selling the dent side? Y'all are. Alright. Got any info on it?
This is buried. I ain't give them that much for it.
So, Range Drive, 7.3, turbo, with, it's got motors on the back. Alright.
Let me see if this thing will start up.
Drive.
See if the thing will start up and get up on the trailer.
Alright.
Slash me calls Off-Road Boys.
Yeah.
Hey, you got a minute to come across the road and pull me out of this mud hole?
Yeah, but can you give me like 2 seconds to come talk to the guy about the truck?
Alright.
Yeah, well, I gotta go help my buddy across the street. He's buying one too, so, I get back, we'll get this thing out and we'll talk then. Alrighty. Freshman college Jake.
Yeah, hello?
Now, what was you needing?
Can you come pull me out of this mud hole?
Yeah, I'm on the line. Literally right across the street. What the?
The clowns parked the truck in the mud hole.
How you possibly done this?
I didn't do it. The clowns did it.
No, I'm telling you, how do you possibly get out here to buy a truck that's stuck in mud?
Thank you.
Oh, Ford didn't act like it wouldn't pull anything. By the way, guys, it's glitched. That's what it is. And when you see a truck like that.
What, slammed?
Uh-huh.
It's lowered pretty low, though.
No, like it's slammed, like the tires are peeking through the fenders. Oh, since I pulled you out, do you care to come in here and help me pull this?
I just forgot to cut while I loaded that truck up on the trailer. I feel stupid. Yeah. Yeah.
Start recording. Slash me calling Jake.
Yellow.
Since I helped you, do you care to come help me?
Sure.
The truck runs, but I don't want to risk it. I'm stuck in between a wall and literally a post. You don't have a winch, do you?
Nope.
Oh God. I speed. Alright, you're good. It runs. I just need to how to get it out from there. I wasn't going to try to pull the thing out.
You didn't want to take out the gas.
I didn't want to take the pole with me.
What's the point of that? There's no fun without taking the pole.
Because I don't want to pay extra. I'm already paying enough for the dang thing.
What you paying for it?
I'm paying $35.
That ain't as much as I'm paying for. That's less than I'm paying for mine.
You paying real or
Go look at the hood of it.
55.
Mm-hmm.
That was how long I would pull it out.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure. Well, I mean, gears don't stick, so I guess I'll buy it.
This thing is stuck in first gear.
A manual?
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
All these gears seem to move freely.
This thing don't like to go in the only goes in the first gear.
Oh God. I hate that.
What?
I just had a random white spot and I don't know why.
Mm-hmm.
Probably from where I switched and all my vehicles. Like all the layers had the paint had to come on. Are you doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I didn't know if you could or anything. Alright guys, we are headed out. Jake got his truck. Alright, I got mine. But as Jake said earlier, you get the map credits and I'll leave it in the description if you want to check it out. I'm sure Jake will do the same for his video.
Yeah. If I remember.
If I remember. And I mean, if I remember, I'll link his channel. And
Gotta get fuel, but I'm too long to get in here. Is that a problem?
Here. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what your plan for the truck is, Jake.
I don't know. I'm busy at the moment.
I know exactly what I'm going to do, but I don't know what you're going to do.
I'm stuck.
I'm going to ride with Tractor for Supply, and I'm going to get me some International Red.
Guess what?
Mm-hmm.
I'm unstuck.
You're stuck?
I'm unstuck.
I thought you are stuck.
I was. Okay, she's full. Hey, while you're in there, you mind to check and see how much a royal blue is? Tractor paint?
I can tell you exactly how much royal blue is. I just bought some the other day.
Did you buy tractor paint?
Yeah. It's $30.
A gallon?
$30 5-gallon.
That's cheap.
I don't know how much it is for International Red, too. And they good.
I'm rolling up right now.
Bucket, whatever.
Give me two or three things of it just to keep at the garage.
I got 2 things International Red. Here you go. There's your little blue.
I've done got mine. I'll take that 5-gallon too. Since you done bought it.
I mean, I don't use blue that much.
I don't have no more room. I guess I'm gonna strap it to the back of the damn trailer.
Just stick it strap it to the bed of the first gen.
Nah.
And if it's blue, you got a colorful bed.
There's one thing I wish about this game, that you could paint the bed. What way is it home?
Huh?
What way is it to get home?
What way is it to get home?
Mm-hmm.
Tennessee home?
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure we go this way.
Only thing I hate about traveling.
You and me both. Yep, go this way.
You forgot to stop at the stop sign.
Yeah, I know.
I California stopped. Ash! What, you froze?
No, like, we're stuck here. Like, there's no road.
Hey, turn around and go the other way.
There is no other. Oh, wait, is there another interstate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, I didn't know that. You was on that side. I wasn't.
I think you go this way, or there's another way. I know. I know I seen one.
Yeah, if y'all can't tell, we hate traveling, but it's seeing small towns like this what keeps us going.
I think there's an interstate this way.
It's alright, Jake.
I don't see one. I'm gonna ask Farmer John.
Yeah, you always you gotta ask the small town people where your directions to go are.
Dang, that's a big old hole. Just like my ex.
And this is why YouTube does not deem us kid friendly.
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, guys. I'm probably going to end mine off right here. Because I really don't think there's a point in the video in like 20 minutes of us looking for a way to get back to Tennessee.
Yeah, I'm going to do the same.
So,
I'll catch you when we get back in Tennessee, guys. Alright, guys. The map we were playing on is Farm City. That is the map credit. It's Farm City by outlaw_build something. I forgot the exact name, but that's the map we were playing on. So thanks for watching.